Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best camera phone of 2026 that deliver incredible performance for the price. But there's one phone that honestly surprised me with how good it is. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll reveal my top pick and tell you which phone offers the best value for your budget. Now, let's get started with the number 5 pick. Number 5. MIRO C67 Camera Smartphone. Color: black. Weight: not officially specified. Category: 4G camera smartphone. If you want a smartphone that focuses heavily on photography without moving into a premium price category, the MIRO C67 is an interesting option to consider. This phone features a 6.56-inch HD LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, giving you a reasonably large screen for browsing, watching videos, and reviewing your photos. The 720 by 1612 resolution is more basic than what you'll find on higher-end phones, but the larger display should still be comfortable for everyday use. The camera setup is the main highlight here. You get a 50MP front camera and a 50MP rear camera with an additional 2MP camera. That makes the C67 appealing for casual photography, selfies, and simple video content. Video recording is listed at up to 720p. So this is better suited for basic content creation rather than high-resolution professional video. The 5000 mAh battery is another practical advantage, especially for daily use and travel. With 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, there's enough space for everyday apps and media, while expandable storage up to 256 GB gives you extra room for photos and videos. Overall, the MIRO C67 looks like a practical budget phone for users who want a large screen, dual SIM support, expandable storage, and a camera-focused setup. Just keep in mind that its HD display and 720p video recording are clear limitations for users wanting more advanced smartphone performance. Number 4. MIRO C67 4G Smartphone. Color: blue. Weight: 192g. Category: budget 4G smartphone. Here's a smartphone that takes a slightly different approach to budget phones by giving you a surprisingly large display without making the device feel overly heavy. The MIRO C67. The phone features a 6.75-inch HD+ LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate. That combination makes it well suited for watching videos, browsing social media, reading, and everyday entertainment. The 720 by 1600 resolution is fairly basic, so users looking for sharper, more detailed visuals may want to consider a higher resolution display. One of the most practical features is the storage flexibility. You get 64 GB of built-in storage, with support for expandable storage up to 1 TB. That can be useful if you keep a lot of photos, videos, music, or other files on your phone. For photography, the C67 includes a 13MP AI dual rear camera and a 5MP front camera. These should be suitable for casual photos, everyday snapshots, and video calls, although this is clearly not designed as a premium camera phone. The 4900 mAh battery, dual SIM support, Android 14, USB-C, and a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack add plenty of everyday convenience. At 192 grams, it also keeps the large screen design relatively easy to carry. Overall, the MIRO C67 seems like a practical choice for budget users who prioritize a big screen, expandable storage, and basic everyday smartphone features over flagship-level performance. Number 3. TELESIN Magnetic Phone Creator Kit. Color: white plus silver. Weight: 10g. Category: phone photography and creator accessories. For anyone who enjoys taking selfies, shooting short videos, or creating content with a smartphone, the TELESIN Fun Shot Creator Kit is a compact accessory bundle designed to make phone photography more convenient. The kit combines 2 useful tools: a magnetic phone camera grip with a wireless shutter button, and the C03 magnetic selfie light. The grip gives your phone a more camera-like feel, which can be helpful when taking photos or recording content. The wireless shutter button also makes capturing shots more convenient without having to tap the screen every time. The magnetic selfie light adds another practical feature. It can rotate 360 degrees and includes a built-in mirror, making it useful for selfies, video calls, and checking your framing before recording. You can use the grip and light together or separately, depending on what you're shooting. Compatibility is another strong point. The kit works with MagSafe compatible iPhones, and the included magnetic ring helps support many Android phones as well. The compact design makes it easy to carry, but keep in mind that this particular kit does not include a tripod. So, if hands-free tripod shooting is important to you, you'll need a different bundle. Overall, the TELESIN Fun Shot Creator Kit looks like a practical choice for mobile creators who want a portable grip and extra lighting in one simple setup. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Color: black. Weight: 192 g. Category: 5G Android smartphone. If you're looking for a mid-range Samsung phone with a premium-looking display and long-term software support, the Galaxy A17 5G brings several features that make it worth a closer look. The standout feature is the 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display. It should deliver vibrant colors, deep contrast, and a more enjoyable experience for streaming, browsing, and everyday use. The 60Hz refresh rate is a limitation compared with many newer phones that offer smoother high refresh rate screens, but the AMOLED panel remains a strong part of the overall package. For photography, Samsung includes a triple rear camera system with a 50MP main camera, along with 5MP and 2MP sensors. There's also a 13MP front camera for selfies and video calls. The phone can record video in 4K at 30 frames per second, which gives creators more flexibility than many basic budget smartphones. The 5000 mAh battery is designed for dependable daily use, and super fast charging helps reduce time spent connected to a charger. You also get 128 GB of storage with support for expansion up to 2 TB, plus 5G connectivity and dual SIM support. Another major advantage is Samsung's promise of 6 OS upgrades and 6 years of security updates. Overall, the Galaxy A17 5G looks like a solid choice for users who want a large AMOLED display, dependable cameras, expandable storage, and long-term software support in one affordable package. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy A16 4G. Color: black. Weight: 200 g. Category: 4G Android smartphone. Looking for a Samsung phone with a large AMOLED display and a capable camera setup without stepping into the flagship price range? The Galaxy A16 4G is built around those everyday essentials. Its 6.7-inch AMOLED display is one of the biggest highlights. With a full HD Plus resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate, the screen should feel smooth while scrolling and provide sharp, vibrant visuals for streaming, browsing, and social media. The camera system is also well equipped for a budget phone. On the back, you get a 50MP main camera, another 50MP camera, and a 2MP macro camera, while the 13MP front camera handles selfies and video calls. Video recording is available at up to 1080p, making it suitable for casual content and everyday memories. Performance comes from a MediaTek Helio processor paired with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. Storage can be expanded up to 1 TB, which is useful if you keep plenty of photos, videos, or apps on your phone. The 5000 mAh battery should provide reliable daily endurance, and features like dual SIM support, USB-C, fingerprint recognition, and stereo speakers add practical convenience. However, US buyers should pay close attention to carrier compatibility. This international 4G model is primarily compatible with T-Mobile and certain MVNOs in the United States, and it does not support eSIM. Overall, the Galaxy A16 4G is a solid choice for users who prioritize a sharp AMOLED display, expandable storage, and a large battery, but checking network compatibility before buying is essential.